a moment.
Because this is how we do math.
Improper and
I just have to check. I have to
this is how we
show something here. That's why. Just a moment. I need this one. Okay, so what is a proper fraction? Okay, so a proper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator. So we know that this is the numerator. So 1 is less than the 2. Okay, so 1 is less than 2. Okay, so numerator is less than the denominator. So we have here this one. This is what I am talking to you last time. Okay, so this is the numerator. This is the denominator. 1 is lesser than 2. So this one is a proper fraction. Okay. Next, we have here. How about the improper fraction? Improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. For example, we have here. Okay. 5 over 4 or 5/4. Okay. So the numerator is 5 and the denominator is 4. So it says here, numerator is bigger than the denominator. So 5 is greater than 4. So this one is an improper fraction. Next, we have the last one, the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is when a whole number in a fraction is combined together. Okay, so this is a whole number. When you say a whole number 1, this is a whole number, children, and then 1 in 1/2. This is a mixed fraction. Do you understand, children? Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now we're going back to our lesson last time. What is your homework? What's your homework anyway? Page, children, what page is that?
Page 83 and 84.
Page 83 and 84. Okay, just a moment. I have to close this one so that I can see. Just a moment, please. Did you already get your book with you?
Yes.
Okay. A moment, please. I have to share to you my screen. 83 and 84. Okay. So the first activity is, it says here, circle each proper fraction. Draw a rectangle around each improper fraction. So what I am going to do is I'm going to write down those who are proper fraction and then the improper fraction. Okay, so just a moment, please. Teacher Poi, are you here already, Teacher Poi?
Yes, teacher.
Teacher, is it okay now?
What? For your lesson? Oh,
The one that I have sent to you?
Are you shaking, teacher? I'm shaking. Just shaking.
Okay, okay, teacher. Thank you. Okay, so children, we have here 1/3, 2, 3/2, 4/4, 4/4, 5/6, 6/5, 6/5. Okay, 7/7, and then 7/8, 8/5, 5/8, 9/10, 11/12, 15/4, 15/16, 26/25. Okay. So we're gonna determine which is the improper fraction in the proper fraction. And when I just have to open my PowerPoint. I'm so sorry for the delay, children. Okay, while waiting, Sophia, what day is today?
Today,
Okay.
today is Tuesday, the 23rd of November 2021.
The 23?
The 23rd.
Okay, good. How about what day was yesterday? Children?
Yesterday was 22nd of November.
Oh, what's that? What's that? Children? Come again, Focus.
Yesterday was Monday, the 22nd of November 2021.
Mm-hmm. How about tomorrow? How about tomorrow?
Tomorrow will be Wednesday
Okay.
of 24
Mm-hmm. 24th of
November 2021.
okay. Job, boom, Sophia, and Focus. Great job. Okay, so we're going to check page 83, your book children, page 83, math or the book. Okay. So we're going to, okay, so for the proper fraction, you have to circle, okay? You're going to circle the proper fraction, okay? I will just going to write down, okay, children? But then it means you're going to circle the proper fraction. Okay, just a moment. I will just going to get choo, 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 choo. This is that. Okay, proper fraction. We have proper fraction here. Okay, we're going to have the proper fraction 1/3. That is the proper fraction. And then next, 5/6. What next, children?
7/8.
Great job. 7/8. What next?
Are you understanding?
5/8.
5/8. What next?
9/10.
Okay, 9/10. What next?
11/12.
Okay, 11/12. What next?
15/4.
15/?
15/16.
Okay, 15/16. Great job, children. So those are the proper fraction. When I say it says in there, you have to circle the proper fraction. So those are the proper fractions, so you must have to circle that one. Okay, next. You check your own book, okay? Improper fraction. Let me see how many of you got the perfect score. Improper fraction. So for the improper fraction, you have to draw a rectangle. Okay. Here we go. What are the improper fraction?
3/2.
Okay, great job. Next.
4/4.
Great job. What next?
7/7.
Did you something?
6/5.
Okay, 6/5. What next?
Teacher,
Yes.
5/6, not 6/5.
5/6. 6/5. We are in the improper fraction. Okay, next. What next for the 6/5? What next for the 6/5? We are in the improper fraction.
7/7.
Mm-hmm. What next?
8/5.
Okay, great job. What next?
15/4.
15/4.
Mm-hmm. What next?
26/25.
Okay, great job, children. Okay, how many points do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Plus 1. So that would be 15/15. Would that be okay? Would that be okay, children? Hello? Are you there?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes, of course. Yes. Okay, so today is Tuesday. Tuesday, 23rd of Tuesday. 23rd of November. November in our lesson is fraction. Okay. Did you pass, children? How many did you get? How many did you get? Did you pass? So that would be 15 over 15. Plus 1. Okay? Plus 1. So today is 23rd. So we have this one. We're going to have the decimals. Okay. I'm going to record your scores, children. Okay? Here we go. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3.
7.
7. How many did you get, Boom?
จะได้คะแนนเท่าไหร่ 15.
Sure. Okay, number 4. Okay, children, I need you to take a photo of your, later, not now, okay, later. Okay, take a photo of your activity and then send it on our group in line later. Okay, so how about number 4?
10.
10. Number 5? Number 5? Number 6? Number 7? Number 8? Number 9? Number 9? Number 10? Number 11? Who is that a while ago?
Yes.
Class number? Josh, is that you? Josh?
Yes.
Okay, Josh, how many did you get, Josh?
10.
10?
Yes.
Number 11? 11?
Yes, teacher.
11? Shem, how many did you get?
10.
10. Number 12? Number 12, children? Number 13?
9.
13?
9.
9? 14?
11.
11. 15?
15.
16?
8.
17?
Yes.
17? 18? 19? 19?
15.
20? 20? Again, please. 20? 20. Is that you, Minnie?
Yeah.
Minnie, how many did you get? 10?
10.
10. 21. Focus 1, focus 2, what is that? Focus 2, any problem?
Focus 2 is number 20.
Number 20. Minnie is number?
21.
Okay, sorry. Thank you. Just a moment. What class number are you, Ampao? Ampao, what class number are you? Ati, number 7, am I right? Ati? Ampao, number 10. Uy,
Ang pao
Ampao, 10.
number
10.
no number อังเปาเลขที่เท่าไหร่นะ13 อังเปา is
12. 12. 12. Ampao is 12, right? Ampao, this is 15 over 15. We have 14, so plus 1, so that would be 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. And then, Ati, you are number 9. Am I right, Ati? Ati? Number 9, so Ati got 7. Okay, now here we go. Number 22. 22,
9
9. 23,
9,
24, 25,
9
26, 27,
9
28, 29, 30.
9
Okay, 31,
10
32.
15
Great job. 33, 34, 35, 36,
14
36, 14, 37, 37, 37, 37. Number 3, boom, get 15 over 15, number 3. Yes, I knew it. It's already been recorded. Boom, you already told me, right?
Teacher
Yes, Yaya. How many did you get, Yaya?
15
15. Okay, so children, I have something to do. I have something for you for the activity. One more activity. Could you please open your book on page 85? Page 85. So we have here.
Teacher
Yes. Any problem? Anybody? Who does that?
15
Minnie, what class number are you, Minnie?
21
21. 21, you got 15?
yes
Children. Okay. Okay, later on. Okay, now here we go. We're going to have this one, page 85, children. Could you please open your book on page 85? So we have here, you're just going to, for the activity number 2, you'll have an example in here. A whole number in a fraction. You're just going to add them. Okay, 1 plus 2/3 is equal to 1 and 2/3. Okay, so this one is just easy. Do you understand? Number 2 activity, children, page 85. 1 plus 2/3, 1 and 2/3. Have you seen the example? Yes? Yes? Kahom, is that you, Kahom, who's raising her hand? Next, number 3, write the mixed fraction in addition form. Okay, so you're just going to do it like the second activity. Activity number 2. This is just easy, children. Can you follow? And for the activity number 4, easy also. You're just going to write proper fraction, the improper fraction in the mixed fraction on the line, on the blank provided. Okay, you do page 85, children. If you have any problem, just tell me, okay? I'm going to give you maybe around okay. We're just going to ask you later on if you are finished. Then maybe we could just move on, okay? Do you have any more problem, children? Okay. Good luck. Do you have problem, children? Any question? What number are you now, children?
Three.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, teacher.
What number are you now?
Number 3.
Minnie, you're finished? You're
Yes.
finished. Oh, wow. Focus when finish. Fierce finish. Boom. Who are not yet finished, children? Raise your hand, please. Those who are not yet finished, could kindly raise your hand so that I know. Yeah, yeah, not yet finished. Okay, no worries. Take your time. Good. For those who are done. Great job, children, for those who are done. We're going to check later. We have here, how about this? Let me see. Okay, the next. Okay, our next lesson is about decimals, children. So we're going to have the definition of decimals, reading and writing decimals with one decimal digit. Then we're going to check first what you know your activity. Yeah, are you done? Yeah.
I'm finished.
Mm-hmm. Great job. Okay, so could we check now, children?
Yes.
Okay, so we cannot have this one. Okay, so for the mixed fraction in each box. Okay, just a moment, children. I'm going to have a photo so that you could easily. Okay. your activity. Uh-oh. Just a minute, children, okay? Okay, so I have something for you to do. Children, could you please take a photo later for your activity, for your homework yesterday, okay? Take a photo of your homework yesterday, and then I'm going to let you send it in our group in line. Send it in our group in line. I will check your scores in there. I'll be waiting. Okay, so supposedly our lesson for today is about decimals, children, about decimals. But then we have to do this one first, your activity, and maybe we can move on to that one for the decimals later on. Taking so long. There you go. Okay. This one is the number. Okay, there you go. I will just going to show you the photo so that you can check your answers, children, okay? There you go. Okay. Okay. This one for the activity number 2, you have here number 1, 2 and 3 sevenths. Number 2, 5 and 1 6. Number 3, 4 and 5 eighths. Number 4, 10 and 7/9. Number 5, 20 and 6/7. Those are the answers. Did you get all?
Yes.
Yes, great job. How about the others? Okay, for the next one, children. Are you done checking? Are you done checking? Okay, now we have here the next one. Moment, I have to make it big. Uh-oh. There you go. Should be like this one. Okay, there you go. Have to format this one. Okay. This is for activity number 3. So we have for activity number 2, we have 5 points. Activity number 3, 5 points. Activity number 4. Wow. Five points. 5 points for the activity number 4. Let's see. For the activity number 4. Finish? You done? Who are not yet finished?
Finish.
Okay, finish. Okay, and for the last one, so just a moment, children, I will just going to stop presenting so that I can move faster. A moment, please. Because sometimes I find it hard to move it. Just a moment, please, children. Okay, there you go. It's taking so long. It's coming out, children. So just a moment, please. Okay, so there you go. So we have here the proper fraction, 7/8, 5/9, 14/15, 7/9. The improper fractions are 8/5, 7/4, 12/12, 19/18. For the mixed fraction, we have 1 and 3/8, 9 and 1/2, 3 and 2/7, 6 and 3/7, 4 and 4/5, 7 and 5/8. So check first your work. Okay. So how many points do we have in here, children? So we have 10 points. 10 points plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So 14 plus 10 is 24, children. 24 plus 4, plus 1. 24 plus 1 to make it 25, okay? Can you hear me?
Okay.
Okay. So what are you gonna do is you're going to take a photo of your workbook, okay? Together with your score. And then you send it in our group in line. Is that okay, children? I want to check, okay? If you do the activity. I will be waiting later, okay? So supposedly our lesson for today is about decimal. So while waiting, we still have 9 minutes more for our time. So I will just going to present a video about our lesson for today, supposedly. But no worries, we still have a lot of time. So we can still have that one for the next meeting. But then for now, we're just going to play the video, okay, children? So listen. This would be our next lesson for math, decimals. Decimals, and we're going to have it with fraction. We're going to relate it with fraction too. So I don't know if you can, maybe you can understand this one. Okay, here we go. If you have any problem, just ask me, okay? Okay, it's coming out. A moment. Chung, chung, chung. There you go.
Hello children. Today, let me introduce you all to a new term called decimals. Let's start. We have already studied about fractions. Now, let us look at some interesting fractions. Here, 4 parts out of 10 are colored. That means the shaded region represents 4/10, written as 4 upon 10. If 5 squares are shaded, it represents 5/10. That is, 5 parts out of 10 are colored and is written as 5 upon 10. Similarly, 15 parts out of 100 is written as 15 hundredths. 32 parts out of 1000 is written as 32 thousandths. The fractions 4/10, 5/10, 15 hundredths and 32 thousandths have either 10, 100 or 1000 as their denominators. Such fractions are called decimal fractions. Thus, a decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominator is either 10 or 100 or 1000 or a power of 10. Kids, these decimal fractions can be represented in another form. Here, 4 upon 10 is represented as 0, then a point or 0.4. Similarly, 5/10 is represented 0, point, and then 5. Read as 0 and read as 0.15. 32 thousandths, represented as 0, then a point, then a 0, then 3, and lastly 2. It is read as 0.032. These numbers 0.4, 0.5, 0.15 and 0.032 are called decimal numbers or decimals. A decimal number has two parts, one on the left side and other on the right side of the point. Let us see what these parts are. Consider the decimal 24.31. The dot in between 24 and 31 is called the decimal point. The number to the left of the decimal point is called as the whole part or integral part. Thus, the number 24 is the whole part or integral part. The number to the so 31 is the decimal part. The decimal point separates the integral part and the decimal part. The decimal places. There are 2 decimal places in 24.31. Now, let's look at a few examples. 49.35. 49 is the integral part. The dot in between 49 and 35 is the decimal point. 359.35. Look, there are 2 decimal places in 40.859. 0 is the integral part. The dot in between 0 and 859 is the decimal point, and 859 is the decimal part. It is read as 0.859, and there are 3 decimal places in 0.859. Kids, wasn't it interesting to learn decimals?
Okay, so children, that's all about the decimals. Okay, so we're going to tackle this one for the next meeting, children. So we're going to have a lot of time, okay? More time for this one. So there is a relationship between the decimal and the fraction. But then we're going to use the place values of digits. But it's not the same as the one that we have learned last time, the place value. For the decimals, you're not going to start from the right, you're going to start from the left for the ones, okay? So children, maybe you cannot understand me for now. So next time we're going to have the decimals, okay, for our next math subject. Okay, so children, that's all for today. Do not forget to send your photo in our group inline for your activity for today. Okay, I will be waiting, children. Okay, so goodbye for now. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye everybody. See you again tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye bye.